deal maker.
Okay, so that was kind of a mistake. So we are fixing this. This is probably going to take a little bit too long. Oh, you cut it?
Nope. I need something. Hold on, guys. I'll get a knife.
Wesley was going to get. Oh, he's getting a knife. Wesley, oh, that's so sharp. He should use like.
Let's cut it.
Look at these fingers.
Hey!
Fingers. Oh, you just hit that thing on the ball. Core?
We cut it.
We cut the white one. We are trying to make it electric. Sorry about that, guys.
Oh, we cut it.
Oh, we cut the blue one. Now
Oh.
the other one that's the last. Okay, you cut it. Okay, I'll try to cut that.
No, I've been electrocuted. Did you see? Yeah, did you see me wiggling? Look, I'm wiggling.
Oh yeah.
It's a dangerous job. It's a dangerous. No, don't do it. Here, take it. Record it. We need an experiment of this car.
Okay, so we go. My pajama.
We got black and yellow wire. We got the black. We need the yellow more. The yellow wire. Then we're done.
You must do it already.
Do you think I'm gonna do it?
Well, we don't know, guys. Please tell everyone to do this. Please. We need 1,000
Do not, guys, do not try this at home. It may be very dangerous, but I'm careful with it.
Yeah.
I'm being very careful, but it's like so. But we need this part. We need to calculate, and we're gonna see what this is all about. And also, this is a Pakistan Lambo, so we're gonna be investigating of what Pakistani this thing is.
I hate Pakistan because look how hard this is. And it just break about 3-4 days.
We got it!
Oh, yes! Good.
We got the part.
Now we got...
Now we're gonna cut the access wires.
Oh,
Careful to not get electrocuted.
guys, we
This is gonna be a tough job.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you
bro.
a
Now
lot.
we need all of the subscribers now. Thanks for all of
Yeah,
the
we need 2,000 subscribers to do this.
What?
What?
Guys, look at this. Come, look at it. I cut the cover off. Look, this is the entire wire. Do you see the gold part? The gold part?
Yeah.
The wire's naked. You naked duty.
That's probably gonna take a long time. Guys, look at the air. It's very sunny today. And there's also let you know we got spray. You should not get that home. That's very sour. This won't take an hour off it. Should do something else.
No, but this is the only way to get the calculation. We got one. We got it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Thank you for... You got 100 likes.
Oh, we got another one really fast.
Oh, that's 1,000. Oh, one more than it's 2,000. Yes, it's 2,000.
Now, guys, look over here. This is the wires. We got the cut wire. We got the white wire. You got the yellow wire. We got 2 blacks. We got 1 white and we got 1 blue.
Yeah.
And
I'm very close.
And after that,
there's also
look. Now we're gonna cut these pieces. Guys, please leave a comment down below would you try this at home or no? Because I would definitely not. It's a dangerous job.
What are you cutting that? Cut this thing off.
Wait, but listen.
Okay.
Think smart.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is a white one.
Dana, would you mind look here with the camera?
You guys, I hope you never try that. I hope you never. Guys, please don't try this. Only 9 or 10 or 500 years old can try this.
Not more than 5, but less than 500. Here, Dino, what is that? You show this calculation in the middle.
Here's my hand. Okay, guys. Do any of you know what do we have to do? Anyone? It's just this and this. Anyone knows? Anyone? Okay, I guess no of you. You should get 200 likes for this video.
Let's get the rota of 200,000 likes.
Oh, he said 200,000 likes.
Or maybe 2 likes.
2 likes. That'll
And
be
1
in-
subscribers. That's our goal. I think
Oh, 1 subscriber, please.
yeah, 1 subscriber.
1 subscriber will let you do
1
this.
subscriber equals 1 if you're
Right.
cutting this thing off. No one can electrocute you for the first time.
No one can see you. It's fully black. And now it's fully colored. Okay, we'll stop this. Oh, I don't think some.
Whoa!
Whoa. Oh my! You kid! You're too hot to tire.
Oh yeah, that's what I like to see.
Okay, I think I should stop this now.
Let's make it naked. Let's make it naked.
Oops. A wire just got in me. A wire just got in me. Sorry guys. Wait, let me fix.
I got 1 wire down.
Oh, you got one. Good. Wait. Let's look a little bit more closer. Ooh. Oh, it's cutting the yellow. The knife. Knives are very careful.
I take off the cover.
Oh no. That's very dangerous. The cover is very dangerous. That's really.
Look at this. Look at it.
Oh my fucking dude.
That was inside the yellow.
You. God. Oh my. It's gonna be quite easy.
Wow. Now watch me. Watch me now. Watch me. Whoa.
Oh my.
Ding.
Oh my. You're like, oh.
Oh yeah, who wants to fight with my knife?
Oh. What's he? Whoever gets 2 million likes, they has to fight with him with a knife. Or maybe you can use a sharper one. Okay, can I stop now, Laffy?
No. You got something out.
Wait, you got something else?
Look at the tiny thing.
Let's look close.
The tiny thing over here.
Oh, guys, I don't know if you can see that. Wait,
It's not a spider. It's not a spider.
guys, where is that? I don't know if you can see it. Is
1 second.
what? Can you see it?
Watch this, people. Watch it, Dino.
It's-
Watch it. Watch me.
This one.
Watch me. Watch me, nice.
Oh! That's my opinion.
I'm cutting the battery. I'm cutting the battery.
Wait, guys, I gotta put some spray for us help. Spray will do it, okay? I will stop her. And those.
Yes, you got something. It's a puffy frick. You got a puffy frick.
Whoa.
Show the viewers.
Guys, I mean to let you have this. Guys, you have to try to get this. Where's the puppy fish?
The puffy frick.
Where is it?
The puffy frick. The puffy frick is right here.
Whoa.
The orange thing.
Let's look so close. Ooh, that looks a little bit dangerous. Ooh, we are getting inside it. Whoa, it's hard. Okay, guys, we are in it. Okay, I don't know if you can see this.
Watch now.
Okay, we are.
Watch me now.
Fucking you.
Wait, I'm gonna make a music with it. Not today.
Sorry, guys, this thing is blowing me.
Watch this Mina. Ooh, ha, ching.
That's awful. Oh!
Watch this reflect.
How about you? We're trying to. Oh, that's epic.
Watch me now. Watch me, guys. Watch this.
You just farted. Oh!
Okay, watch me now.
That's my saw.
Watch me.
Wait, we'll see how much likes it till.
No, wait.
Oh, 2,000.
Look at me. Watch me now.
I'm sorry, guys, you can't see that, but. Oh, that's